Hello, lovelies. Long time no see. I have been posting, they're quite wild, and it's because life happened. And if you guys have seen the first video, you kind of understand that I see my channel as a diary for me. And if you can get inspired by the things I post, I'm just happy. But I'm just doing this for fun. I just like and love this creation space. But so to say, great news. In 2 weeks, I'm going to Korea! And I'm so freaking excited. I'm going there with my friend. Last time I was going alone. And I have met so many wonderful people there, and I hope to find even more lovely people there. And I'm just so happy to share my culture, like share where I'm coming from, or like my roots to one of my friends. It's just an amazing thing to do. And to have us experience that together is just so much fun. But I would love to have your help a little bit, guys. So I know a little bit, and I have been trying to get some research and trying to find some good places to be, things to do, because last time I was there I was studying Korean, so it was a lot of school on the weekend, on the week, and free time on the weekends. But sometimes you were so tired after the hard schoolwork that you just wanted to relax. I just wanted to be with my host family and get to learn more from them. And so it wasn't that much of a time to really go out and explore the country that much. But I want this to be different. I want to explore as much as I can. I want to see as much as I can. I want to learn more history. So if you have any recommendations where to go and where to be, please write it down on the comments, or you can DM me on my Instagram. I will put everything down in the comment field below. Or if you know a good tourist guide, or if you are a good tourist guide, please write it down, DM me, because I would love to have someone that really knows the culture of Korea to help me get the best experience that I can. It's not that I'm not against to explore myself. It's just that with experience to going on different countries, you always get the best when you are with someone that really, really know the culture. And I do know a quite bit, but not everything. And because I'm still learning. And like I said, I'm not grown up in that culture, so I cannot understand everything. And I cannot know everything. So to experience that and to learn that from someone that really can, it would be like the greatest honor. So if you're a good tourist guide, or a good tourist guide, or just have recommendations to places to go, eat, explore, whatever, please give them to me. Like I said, write it down in the comments, or DM me. I will be so grateful. And I also asking you to do it if you're genuine. Write if you really can recommend this, or like I said, if you are a really good tourist guide or something like that, just write it down, because you're serious about it. It would make the trip so much more exciting, right? And I think you guys can understand that too. With that, I will also like to say that I'm gonna try to film videos and to post on my YouTube channel here. It will be very simple videos. Like, I don't want to spend hours to edit, or I want it to be as genuine as I can, as simple as I can, So like I said before, I want this to be a diary. Like, I want this to be vlogs that I can look back to, understand my emotions, like kind of a journal. So I want this to be as real as possible. So with that said, I will film as much as I can, but I will also do some lives. And the lives I will be doing it on is either Instagram, Twitch, or hopefully TikTok. I don't know yet which platform I will really get into, but if you follow my Instagram, you will definitely know where the lives are gonna be. Follow my Instagram so you will get notified if you want to see the live stream. I'm just so overwhelmed with emotions because I have really had a rough year and months. So this is just I don't know how to say it in English, but it's just such a relief to go to a place where you just feel so comfortable in and just so happy in. Like, it's like I said, I really love the country. It's not perfect, no country is perfect, but for what I have experienced, it just brings so much happiness to me. And I don't know if I'm biased because I'm from there, but I just love the culture, man, and the food. I can't express enough how much I have been missing the Korean food. Like the fried chicken, the barbecue, the kimchi jjigae, oh my god, and like the cool noodle soups, like just thinking about it makes me just want to go now. And by the way, we're gonna stay there the whole June. But yeah, so this is a very small update, and if you want to follow this little trip, see me and my friend go crazy in Korea respectfully, then please follow my YouTube channel. Go and like the video, share the video, and if you have any good recommendations, please write it down on the comments. And maybe we will see you in Korea. Have a greatest day or night, depending on where you are, and take care of yourself. Till next time. Bye, lovelies.